Have you ever wondered how the first plants conquered the Earth? Picture this. Our planet, around 500 million years ago, a vastly different world. The land was barren and lifeless, while the seas were teeming with creatures of all sorts. It was in these ancient oceans that the first terrestrial life forms began their journey. These were not the plants we are familiar with today. Oh no, they were humble, primitive, algae-like beings, the first pioneers of a new frontier. Skirting the water's edge, these organisms made the daring transition from the aquatic environment to the terrestrial one, a leap of faith that forever changed the course of life on Earth. They didn't have roots, stems, or leaves, but they had the audacity to breach the boundary between sea and land. These early pioneers paved the way for the world as we know it, a testament to the resilience of life, and a chapter in our planet's history that's as fascinating as it is crucial. Imagine a world dominated by mosses and ferns. Sounds strange, doesn't it? Yet this was the reality around 360 million years ago. These seemingly simple plants were in fact evolutionary marvels, having developed tissues and organs that enabled them to adapt and thrive in a multitude of environments. Mosses, with their soft, sponge-like structures, proved to be remarkable survivors. Their ability to retain water made them resilient, even in harsh conditions. Ferns, on the other hand, took plant evolution a step further. They developed a vascular system, a network of tubes that transports water and nutrients, which allowed them to grow taller and reach for the skies. These adaptations were not merely survival tactics, they transformed the planet. By colonizing new habitats, mosses and ferns played a key role in altering the Earth's climate. Mosses and ferns had a significant impact on the Earth's climate, paving the way for the next generation of plants. As the world continued to evolve, so did the plant kingdom. Around 300 million years ago, a new chapter in plant evolution unfolded, the Era of Gymnosperms. This group, whose name literally means naked seeds, includes familiar species such as conifers, ginkgos, and cycads. Gymnosperms were the first plants to produce seeds, an incredible evolutionary leap that offered a new method for plant reproduction. Unlike their predecessors, gymnosperms didn't rely on water for fertilization. Instead, their seeds, encased in a protective coat and equipped with their own food supply, could survive harsh conditions and travel long distances. This adaptability, combined with their ability to grow into towering trees, allowed gymnosperms to conquer diverse habitats, from the cold taiga forests to the tropical rainforests. They transformed the Earth's landscapes, creating vast forests that provided shelter and sustenance for a multitude of creatures, including the dinosaurs. Gymnosperms dominated the Earth for over 200 million years, standing tall as the dinosaurs roamed. Can you picture a world without flowers? A world where vibrant hues and sweet scents don't grace our gardens and parks. It's a little hard to imagine, isn't it? Well, around 140 million years ago, that was the reality of our planet. But then, a silent revolution took place. This revolution was led by the angiosperms, or as we commonly know them, flowering plants. Unlike their predecessors, these plants had an evolutionary ace up their sleeves. They developed a unique ability to attract pollinators with their colorful petals and sweet nectar. This not only ensured the spread of their genes, but also sparked an explosion of diversity in the insect world. But the innovations didn't stop there. Flowering plants also began to produce fruits, a tasty treat that animals couldn't resist. These fruits, containing the plant's seeds, could be carried far and wide, ensuring the spread of these plants across the globe. With their diverse forms and stunning beauty, flowering plants have become the most diverse group of plants on the planet. From algae-like beings to the vibrant diversity of flowering plants, the evolution of plants has been a journey of resilience and innovation. Let's take a moment to recap our journey through the eons. We began with the First Conquerors, the algae, who made that daring leap from the water to the land, setting the stage for a world teeming with life. Through the rise of mosses and ferns, we saw nature's first attempts at creating sophisticated plant structures, which eventually gave way to the Era of Gymnosperms, those seed-bearing pioneers. And finally, the advent of flowering plants brought color and diversity to our planet, shaping the landscapes we see today. This journey, spanning over 500 million years, is a testament to the power of gradual, persistent evolution. Next time you walk in a park or a forest, remember, you are witnessing the result of a 500 million year journey that transformed a barren world into a green paradise.